Warning! Disturbing content. Is born a Hawkeye. Hey, I would love to welcome you all to my channel. If you guys like my content and you appreciate everything I've done, and I did have to do this video over a second time. Yeah, the first time I got like a 305 or a 403 or I don't know, some sort of error. So I don't know if they're trying to censor me or what they're trying to do, but I'm going to do it again, all right? Because I have nothing else to do. I just got home from work. This is truth, all right? All my hawks are going to fucking figure it. Woo! So sorry. That'll be the last time I cuss, I swear to God. I promise you. I'm so sorry. All right. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Let's figure out what happened in Paddock's room.
In with you. Watch these quadrants. Watch your back. I got that. Turn over to another breach. Another breach. Okay.
Watch when they come in here. And watch when they look at the windows. Alright? These windows that were busted out. Watch.
We got one suspect down, 419 inside. Just this is clear. This is clear. Okay. What was the shots fired in here? Well, they did an explosive bullet breach. Was he? Okay. Look at Levi. Everyone's good? Oh, okay. Oh, it's Donald.
It looks like that name I gave you shares an address with the suspect. We can give you that address if you, we need to send units there. 1372. That's 1372 Babbling Brook Court in that Mesquite, Nevada. Babbling Brook Court.
You see him look there?
We're doing New York.
Anything in here indicate two guys?
I see a guy switching guns, not reloading. Switching guns, we're not reloading.
One wallet.
There are notes. Did he write something on that?
Were they... What? Oh. I'm sorry. I haven't watched this before, but... What were they just talking about? Two guys? And then he said something about switching guns, reloading? Yeah, how the fuck could you go between rooms like they tried to tell us? Gosh, I said I wouldn't cuss. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, guys. Because that affects my that affects my viewership when I cuss. Because I like to stream videos when I'm at work. I'll just put it in my pocket and let it play. And like customers don't care as long as there's no curse words. I'm so sorry. Let's hear what he just said.
We're doing New York.
Anything in here indicate two guys?
I see a guy switching guns, not reloading. Switching guns.
Not two guys, switching guns, reloading. Yeah, okay, this old-ass dude is going to be running from room to room with all the smoke, doing fully automatic from his supposed bump stock. It's a belt-fed machine gun, guys. I knew this from when I heard it. And I'm not going to curse. I want to curse so bad. It's a belt-fed machine gun. This ain't no bump stock. Bump stocks they're first of all, they're inaccurate, and they don't produce a level amount of a firing rate. It's not a it's if you understand what I mean.
One wallet.
Can you write something on that?
4 coming from gate 7. Gate 7, shots are
coming from gate 7. Do we want to go to the event center or?
It's funny they say this gate 7. Alright, when they say gate 7, if you look at the map, and you look at all the different maps, I was listening to the radio that night. There were shots coming from gates that were not on the side of Mandalay Bay. So I don't know what the heck you're talking about, and I'm going to say heck strongly because I want to say some other thing, but I'm trying to be nice. Yeah. No. These shots are coming from places that are on the opposite sides of where you claim, and now you claim that windows are busted out, and then listen to what these people say here soon. There is no windows busted out. This is what they claim.
Lobby.
The fuck? Was that a flattening iron? I'm sorry. I went to barber school, and when you're in barber school, you gotta learn all the girls' hair stuff and shit too. Barber license is above a cosmetology license. Who the fuck? What girl did he have in there? Did he have Mary Lou in there? Did he have Mary Lou in there? And I'm so sorry. I cussed again. You know what? I'm sorry. I cannot guarantee that I can't cuss in this. I won't in every cast. I won't. But she was down there in the crowd saying, "You guys are all going to die." All right. He sent like what, $200,000+ over to the Philippines, where ISIS, that's like the last ISIS stronghold since Trump has obliterated ISIS. All right. So what? He sent money over there, and then. So what they say that this could be an ISIS and Al Qaeda, like a gun running, all this. All right. Well, he had a plane. That's another video. But yeah, his plane goes back to like the government. So the plane was bought by the government that he used to fly. Yeah. So he's a suspicious character, all right? All right, let's continue. Why the heck is there flattening irons? I just saw it. There's a flattening iron. Like, there's girls there. All right? And then there's a woman who looks Mexican. She's Filipino. Filipinos can be very, very, very easily mistaken for Mexicans. In the crowd, stating, "You guys are going to die." She knew what was going to happen. Oh! You see that right there? That right there is that window, if I'm correct. That's the window right there he shot out of. Do you see it broken? Do you see it broken? I don't. Where's the broken windows, people?
What kind of gun is needed to break this glass, but
Anything. Any handgun will break it.
oh, there you go.
Okay, what did he just say?
There are security and officers in this stairwell that are very spread out.
I don't know what kind of gun is needed to break this glass, but
You guys are standing in front of a pane of glass that's not broken, talking about a pane of broken glass. Why would you not go directly after a shooting to where the actual shooting happened through the pane of glass? You guys are sitting in front of a pane of glass, knocking on a window, saying this is the gun that would actually create it. Any gun, no shit. Almost any gun, unless it was bulletproof, would go right through that. And I'm sorry for cursing again. You know what? I will curse. This pisses me off. This pisses me the hell off, alright? What? That window was shown to be broken out. Why is it not broken out in the police footage? What the fuck is going on?
Anything. Any handgun will break it. Oh, there you go.
No, there you go. Let's do it.
Keep your eyes peeled though as we cross these corners, okay? Go into where the lobby is. There's some right, clear. Metro police, please, guns down. Okay, it's friendly. Okay, we're gonna go back up to 32 if you want to clear the rest of this hallway so we're not aiming guns at each other. Okay, let's just peek down this way first. Okay, we're gonna go left first. To back towards the boulevard. Rear guard, make sure you're watching no one come out behind us, okay? Stay with us. Just don't let anyone come out behind us. Watch out for blue on blue. Watch out for officers.
Oh, Lord. Wrong time. Hey, baby. How are you doing? I'm just calling to see. I got the macaroni and cheese. I'm sorry. Alright, guys. Wow. That did not show what I was talking about, alright? They said there was no... Okay, whoa. They said there was no... I watched the video, alright? They said there was no broken windows. They said there was no broken windows, guys. Alright. I gotta make another video on this when I gotta go to sleep. Hey, I love you guys. Born a Hawkeye out.